I know your Christmas list is probably long already, but I have some good items that you're going to want to add to it. Skims came out with another collection, the waffle one, and then I added on a few other items I loved and have already purchased, and they were repurchases just in different colors, like fun Christmas colors. So I'm super excited to review all of this with you guys. What's up guys, it's your girl Steph back at it again with another YouTube video, and it's actually my first video recorded in my new office. We just recently moved. You guys can watch the condo tour I put up if you're curious to see what it looks like. It was so fun doing like an empty condo tour. Like I love those vlog kind of style videos, so I'm gonna definitely do more of those because you guys are requesting that. But today we're doing a Skims try-on haul. It's a lot of loungewear. I got some Christmas color vibes. Like there's an outfit in here that I want to wear to decorate our Christmas tree if we get one. It's still undecided. There's so much hectic like stuff that goes on with moving. There's still stuff that needs to be unpacked, stuff that needs to come from our last place to over here. We still got to clean the old place. Like it's complete madness. So I don't know if decorating our Christmas tree is top on my priority, but it would be nice because I've never put up my own tree before. Like I just didn't want to store the Christmas stuff, decor and things like that, but maybe this year we will. If not, I have my Skims stuff that, you know, is the Christmas vibes already, so that's enough for me to be honest. But it is cute going to houses that are decorated and just feel homey with the Christmas vibes. That's not the point of today's video. The point of today's video is trying on all my Skims items. So if you like these kinds of videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Send this to your bestie that loves Skims because she's gonna love these items. And don't forget to turn on the bell so you don't miss a video of mine. And let's go ahead and get started on today's haul. The more and more stuff she comes out with, the cuter it gets, I swear. But I just absolutely love this gray piece set together. It's that waffle material, which is really nice. It's not like the softest waffle material, but I still find it nice for lounging in. And the only thing I would change about this shirt is that it's like kind of boxy in the shoulders and it kind of lays weird, like it's an awkward length, but I'm still gonna keep it because I love it. It doesn't really bother me. I just want to point out some of the stuff I would kind of slightly change about this collection. And then you can button this all the way up if you like it like that, or you can keep it unbuttoned how I have it. The boxer shorts are a little bit shorter than her other ones that I've tried, but I actually really like this length. I think it's at a really cute length. It's just right under the butt cheek, so it kind of makes them look good. And I got both of these in a size small, and I think they fit perfect. I would say the thighs hug a little bit tighter than the waist, but besides that, these fit really good. And I think I would even wear the shirt with like leggings and a vest or like out and not just lounging in it. But these shorts are definitely just an at-home type of thing. This is the third cami I own now. I am obsessed with these camis. I think they are like the perfect lounge tank or to even wear out as well. They have a shelf bra, so you don't have to wear a bra with it. But I still put in like bra pads or pasties because it's like a thin, stretchy fabric that you really nip through. And I don't like that look. I know she just came out with a bra that literally had nipples to make it look like you're nipping, but that's not my vibe. I want to not look like that. So I still wear those. I got it in a size small. It fits absolutely perfect. You could probably even get away with sizing down because it is super, super stretchy. So if a small's not in stock, maybe you can get away with an extra small. And they do have adjustable straps. I will say with the brighter colors like this, you kind of can see that bra. It's not too noticeable. I thought it just looked good with these boxer shorts. Like this looks like a cute little Christmas outfit, and you can just throw on this over top of it if you get cold, and it looks cute when it like peeks through the bottom. I don't know, it just looks cute to me, and it kind of peeks through right here if you have it unbuttoned too. And then you just have on your Christmas slippers, and it's just like a cute little Christmas vibe. I think this 3-piece set is my favorite that I got. These pants are really, really nice. Like, they fit really nice. They're not as wide as any of the other collections I've tried. They're like just like a straight leg, and they're at a really good length for my height. I'm 5'7". If you're any shorter, you can just roll them and they still look really cute. But they are a little bit on the longer side, but I prefer that. And then this jacket is kind of like tighter in the waist and looser in the upper body, which I kind of like because you can also like flip it and make it like cropped if you want, like, you know, a color break with your skin showing, or, you know, you can just keep it down and it looks cute down as well. But I love this pretty neutral color. I'm not sure what it actually is called on our website, but it is so pretty in person. This jacket literally fits perfect. Like, I think this set fits perfect. I will say this bra is a little sheer, so I can't quite show you this bra, but it fits really good for size small. For other bras that I've tried like this, fit a little bit bigger, like the knit one I just reviewed. I needed an extra small in it, but I will say a small fits pretty true to size with this one. But it is very, very sheer. But I don't find the pants that sheer, so maybe if I were to size up to a medium, it wouldn't be as sheer. Then I feel like it wouldn't fit as good. Like, this fits perfect. But I just think this is so cute all together. I'll back up so you guys can really see the pants. They touch the floor on me. And then they do have a drawstring. I don't know if I said that. There is a drawstring, so you can at least adjust the waist. The waist is still pretty big if I have it untied, but I don't think an extra small would fit my thigh. So I think I picked out the perfect size in all of these pieces. As I'm changing to the next items, I thought these colors looked really good together. So before I take this bra off, I wanted to show you what this green and this tan looked like. And then this next set is very Christmassy to me as well. Like, I think I wanted this to be the outfit I decorated my tree in and made a video on, but I still undecided if we're putting one up this year because it's so crazy from moving. But I did love this color. The second I opened it and seen it, I instantly got on the website and added more. I think it's called Spruce, something like that. I'm not quite 100% sure, to be honest. I'm terrible at remembering product names and colors, so they'll definitely be all linked down below. But I already bought these pants in a different color. I repurchased them, and I meant to get an extra small to see the size comparison because I wasn't loving the size small waistband, but I think it is supposed to be a little bit looser. That way you can like fold it down and play around with it and like not be cut off, because these are more like lounge style pieces. And I think if I went with an extra small, they would be too short anyway, so I'm glad I made that mistake. I don't think they would have worked, but it's just a cute like set. And I also picked up this jacket to go with it. I didn't realize this is ribbed, but I kind of like that there's like a material texture difference between the pants, the tank, and the jacket. It kind of breaks up the color and like gives it a little something, because the ribbed tank is a little bit bigger ribbed than this jacket. And then these pants are just like a smooth fabric. They remind me a lot of the Victoria's Secret yoga pants I used to wear in like middle school. Yeah, it's just like a really cute set, and I actually paired it with black bottoms, and it looked really good if you don't want to just wear a big color block. Like, it looks good with black leggings. And then this color that I already showed you in that bra looks really good with this as well. So I feel like everything I got, you can kind of mix and match, so you can get a lot of wear and use out of them. And then this tank and jackets in a size small. I own so many of these tanks. Like, if you do not own any Skims, this is a good piece to start with. They're so versatile. Like, I wear them to bed, I wear them to work out in them, I wear them out and about running errands, I put cardigans over them. Like, I love these tanks. They're just like the perfect basic. Same with those camis. It's kind of like tough to pick what one I like more, but it might be the cami because you don't have to wear a bra, but then you have to wear pasties, so it's kind of like wearing a bra. I don't know, it just looks really, really cute. And then before I take this tank off, I wanted to show you this color and boxer short with this tank to show you that everything kind of just goes together really good. And there's a hint of black, so if you have a black tank, it would go even better, I feel like. And this is that same tank and the heather oatmeal, I believe. Very pretty. I love the texture of it and the different like colors. Kind of like heather grayish mixed in, I feel like. I don't know, but it's very pretty. Goes with a lot. I will say these boxer shorts seem to fit me a little different than my other ones. Maybe it's because I stretched them out more, or my thighs got a little bigger right here, but they fit a little more snug. I'm not mad about it, but I just want to forewarn you, maybe this collection of these boxer shorts in color and style run a little bit smaller, or I'm crazy, one or the other. I can't really, I'll have to try on my other ones again, but my other ones are just been worn a few times, so that could be it. But I really, really like these ones. I have on a bright blue thong and it's kind of sheer through it. You can kind of see it. So this color is a little sheer, but not with like that tan bra I have on, so you can't at least see that. You just kind of have to watch what you wear under it, I guess, but you're wearing the stuff at home, so I guess it doesn't even really matter. And you probably won't even wear anything under it anyway. Both of these are in a size small. I love these pieces. It's more summer vibes. Could do a cardigan or robe over it like I do. But I also picked up the long sleeve to make it a little bit warmer. So let me put this on. All right, and here's the long sleeve. I absolutely love how all these fit because they kind of like go in at the waist and open a little wider at the bottom and give you that like curve and shape. And I feel like if you size down, you can really get that shape because it's gonna be so tight and like snatching. But I do like the loose fit of the small, and I think it's cute if you even crop it up with these boxer shorts, and it looks really good like that too. And these look really, really good with leggings and puffer vests. Like I have a ton of cropped puffer vests from Lulu. I've done TikToks and shown you guys. They look so good under this. So you get a lot of use out of these long sleeves. I got it in another color too, so let me put that on. And here's the green one, but I'm gonna go put on like some leggings and the vest so you can really see what it looks like, because it is a super cute outfit. This is the longer vest I have that I like to wear, and it looks good with my silver and black one I have too. And then you can pair it with these mustard seed Uggs. They all look really good and pretty together, or you can do like your tall Ugg boots. This color of Ugg literally goes with everything, so if you're gonna get a pair of Uggs this season, let it be this color. Just really, really cute. These are just easy throw on and comfy outfits that never go wrong. Like you're always gonna feel good wearing an outfit like this. And this is the other vest. I love the length of this one. These shirts are easy just to like roll and crop up to make it look like it's cropped and you wouldn't even be able to tell. And you can just get a lot of use out of these. They're just really pretty, and I don't know, they look very, very nice. I know like some basic shirts look cheap, but I don't think this one does at all, and it's not cheap, so that's probably why. Yeah, I really, really like it. I think this looks really good with black. It looked good with that tan. I wear a lot of these outfits with these style New Balances. This is a cute little outfit to do, mixing and matching colors. So this gray looks really pretty with the green and black. Or I have like tan New Balances that go really good with this too. I could honestly do like a video of just styling outfits if you guys are interested, because I love doing that and not just showing the items I bought. I could definitely show you how I would style them as well. And that wraps up today's haul, guys. You can find any of the links down below if you're interested in purchasing any of the items. They're super easy to find, and I'll have them all listed there for you. Can't thank you guys enough for hanging out. I have so much fun, and I have some more stuff on the way that I'm super excited for. I have her holiday collection that I bought a ton of items from, so those are on the way. Lulu, Abercrombie, and of course you guys can suggest anything you want to see, even if it's more vlog style videos. It doesn't have to be just fashion hauls or how I style my hair. Whatever it is, just let me know, because I literally love hanging out with you guys. You guys are my best friends, so you know, I want to bring to you what you want to see and not just what I want to show, you know. So that is it. I think I covered everything. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. Turn on the bell so you don't miss a video of mine, and share it with a friend so we can keep growing this community. And again, I can't thank you guys enough, and I will see you in the next YouTube video.